Hello students, continuing with the exercise which is on page number 53 in your maths textbook. So I have written the questions, so you can write it in your notebook. Okay, see, first number is 396 plus 45. Now children, see, units place, tens place. So you will add the numbers which are at unit place and you will add the numbers which are at tens place. Now this is known as horizontal arrangement. Add in horizontal arrangement. 6 plus 5. 6 units plus 5 units. What is 6 units plus 5 units, children? Keep 6 in mind and 5 in your hand. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So what you have to do, children? See, 11 units. So you can't write 11 years. So you will write 1 year and 1 you will keep in your mind, or you can write it year at 9's place. Because whatever we carry, it goes to a tens place, because 11 units means 11 units. What is 11 units? 11 units means 10 plus 1. Okay, 10 plus 1 is 11 units. No need to write this, but this is just I'm showing you. So this is 10 plus 1. Okay children, so you can't write 11 here. Obviously we are doing addition with carrying over, so that 1 you will carry at tens place. Now 1 plus 9 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. So what you will do? You will write 4 here and 1 will go at hundreds place. Okay. Now see. So 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is your answer. Okay children. Now I will show all the 8 sums, but you are going to do all the 16, 17 sums. Okay. I am showing 8 sums. So again see, 5 units plus 1 unit and 7 tens plus 3 tens. So 5 unit plus 1 unit is 6 units and 7 tens plus 3 tens. 7 plus 3 is 10. So you will write 0 over here and 1 will go at hundreds place. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 606. Okay children. See, this is a simple addition, but you have to carry it to your neighbor. So if you have anything at units place, it will go at tens place. Tens place, if you have more than 10, so it will go at hundreds place. Okay. Now next sum. See, 4 units, 8 units. Okay children. Again 4 tens, 0 tens, and 600 and 300. I am doing this to show you the place value. Okay, you have to add with which number. So 4 units plus 8 units is, what is 4 plus 8 children? 12 units. So 2 you will write here, 1 will go at hundreds place. Okay, so 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 600 plus 300. 600 plus 300 is 800. Okay? See, this is units, tens. Units, tens, 100. Okay, children? So, units and tens you will add with tens. Okay, children? So, 7 plus 6. 7 units plus 6 units is what it is, children? 13 units. So, 3 you will write here and 1 will go at hundreds place. So, 1 plus 4 is 5. 1 will go at tens place. So, 1 tens plus 4 tens is 5 tens. 5 tens plus 5 tens is 10. 5 plus 5 is 10. So, you will write 0 here and 1 will go at hundreds place. So, whatever you have to carry, you will carry at the here. So, 1 plus 6 is 700. Okay. So, you will get the total. Now, see. Here only 1 unit is there. And here there are 3 digits. Here only 1 digit is there. So, unit, 2 unit, 9 unit. Okay, 2 plus 9 is 11. So, 1 you will write here and 1 will go at tens place. So, 1 plus 4 is 5 and 7 because there is no digit at tens place and hundreds place. So, you will write directly 751. Okay, then 7 unit, 8 unit, and there is no value at, see, there is no digit at tens and hundreds place. The second number doesn't have any number at tens and hundreds place. So 7 unit plus 8 unit, see, 7 unit plus 8 unit is, children, what is 7 unit plus 8 unit? What is 7 plus 8? 15. So you will write 5 over here. 1 you will carry at tens place. 1 plus 4 is 5. And this 5 will go directly over here. Okay. This will go directly over here. Okay, children. Then 609 plus 8. See, again units and units. 9 units plus 8 unit is 17 units. So 1 you will carry at tens place. See, you can't write more than 9 over here. You can't write 10. You will write 0 and 1 will go at tens place or hundreds place. Okay. You can't write 2 digits over here. You can write only 1 digit over here. 1 number only. So 1 plus 0 is 1. And 6 will go directly at hundreds place. Okay, children. Then 701 plus 9. 1 plus 9. 1 unit plus 9 unit is 10 unit. So 1 will go at tens place. Because we are saying 10 unit. 1 plus 0 is 1 and 7 will go directly over here. So this is the answer. So children, I have solved first 8 sums, but you are going to solve all these sums. Okay. Now let us see. Please solve all the sums. Okay, children. Now write such pairs of number which will add up to 100. Now we have to write certain pairs of number which will make add. When you add them, it will become 100. So the first pair is 50 plus 50. 50 plus 50 is 100. Okay. Then second pair you can write 60 plus 40. That will also become 100. Okay. Because 50 plus 50 is 100. 0 and 0 and 5 plus 5 is 10. So it is 100. 60 plus 40, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay children. Now you can write 75 plus 25. That will also make 100. So these are few examples which will make 100. Even you can write 70 plus 30, which will also be 100. Then you can write 80 plus 20. Okay children. So these are few examples which will, when you add these numbers, you will get 100. Okay. Now write such pairs of numbers which will add up to 120. So now 120. So 60 plus 60 will make 120. Then you can say 100 plus 20 will also make 120. Then you can say 70 plus 50 will also make 120. So you can put you can give lots and lots of examples. I'm just showing few examples. Okay children. On page number 54, we are starting with word problems. So please kindly remove your maths textbook. Be ready with your pencil and eraser. Okay children. See, if 365 women and 276 men took part in Clean Village campaign, okay? How many people took part all together? All together people took part. See, 365 women. So first children, see, the first sum is done for you. They have arranged for you. So 100, tens and units. Units, tens and 100. You will write this way. And see, these are 3-digit numbers, no? So 365. 563. Okay? 365 women and 276 men took part in Clean Village campaign. So how many people took part all together? What is the meaning of all together children? Addition. Okay? So total number of people. So 365 and 276. Now children, 5 plus 6. Keep 5 in your mind and 6 in your hand. So what you will do? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 units. So 1 you will write here and 1 you will carry at tens place. Now children, 1 plus 6 is 7. 7 plus 7 is, what is 7 plus 7? Keep 7 in your mind and 7 in your hand. Okay children. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it will be 4 you will write here and 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 5, 6. So it is 641 people took part. Okay children, now next sum we are going to do it. Okay, Malti Bai gifted 350 books. Okay, 350 books to the school library. Vasant Rao gave 400 and Jayanta Rao gave 165. So there are 3 multi-by 3 people over here. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? Total means addition. So first, children, what you will write? 100, tens and unit, because these are 3-digit numbers, no? Then you will write 350 books. So 350 books given by multi-by. Then you will write 400 books by whom? Vasant Rao. Okay, and Jayant Rao gave 165 books. What is the meaning of total and all together? Addition. Now see children, 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 6 is, what is 5 plus 6? Keep 5 in your mind and 6 in your hand. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 11. 1 you will write here and 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay children. Then you will write units, tens, 100. Okay, total number of books, 915 books. Moving ahead with the third sum. If 230 gulmohar trees and 375 neem trees and 160 teak trees were planted on the hillside, how many trees were planted altogether? Altogether means total, addition. Okay, so you will write 230 gulmohar trees. So just write gulmohar. Then 375 neem and 160 teak. Okay, then put an addition sign. You should write unit, tens and 100. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 0 is again 5. Okay, anything added to 0 is always the number. Any number added to 0 is, you will get the answer whatever is the number. Okay, 3 plus 7 is, what is 3 plus 7 children? Keep 7, keep the big number in your mind and small number on your hand. So 3 plus 7, 8, 9, 10. Now 10 plus 6. 10 plus 6 is, keep 10 in your mind and 6 in your hand. Okay. So 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 765 trees were planted altogether. Okay. Now at the pollution testing center, 193 two-wheelers, two-wheelers means bike, scooter, and 297 four-wheeler, four-wheeler means car, vehicles were tested. What was the total number of vehicles tested for pollution? Okay, total means addition. So you will write First you will write, see these are 3-digit number, no? So 100 tens units, and you will write 193 two-wheeler. Okay, two-wheeler. 297 four-wheeler. Okay, now add them. 3 plus 7, come on children, 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 9 is 19. Okay, 1 again you will carry at hundreds place. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So it is 490 vehicles. Okay children, now use the given information to prepare a word problem of the addition. Now we have to prepare information. A tree planting drive, 345 boys, 275 boys. Okay, they have already given here, so you have to arrange it in your own words. If 345 boys and 275 girls participated in a tree planting drive, how many children took part in it altogether? Okay, so 345 boys, 275 girls. Now total number of children altogether. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 you will carry at units place. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. So 620 children took part in the planting drive. Now total cost 50 books. Total story books 50 rupees. 50. Books of poem 75. Now you have to arrange. So I will do one for you. Okay. See children. First you will write the question. Story books. Okay. So you have to form question. Story books and books of poem. Okay children. 75. Okay, now you have to frame it. So you will write in a school library, 50 new storybooks. Okay, where storybooks and 75 new books of poem. Were donated by a NGO. Okay. Total number of books donated. So this is the question I have formed for you. In a school library, 50 new storybooks and 75 new books of poem were donated by a NGO. Total number of books were donated. Okay, this is a question. See, they have given. So you have to form the question. How here the information was given. but word problem was created. So you are going to create. I have created one for you. So what you will do, children? You will make a column this way. Okay? And you will write 100, tens, units, 100, tens and units. Okay? So number of storybooks. Number of storybooks, children. How many storybooks were added? 50. Number of poem books. How many poem books were added, children? 75. Now, total number of books were donated. So, you will do addition. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 you will write here, 1 you will carry at hundreds place, and that 1 will come directly down because there is no number over here. So it is 125. Total number of books, total number of books 125. Okay children, I hope you have understood. See, I will help you in forming the question, but you are going to solve it. I am going to solve the going to form the question. See, in the basket 35 mangoes, 45 guavas. So what you will write? For the picnic, mummy packed 35 mangoes and 45 guavas in the basket. Now children, 35 mangoes and 45 guavas, what are they? They are fruits, no? So number total number of fruits mummy packed in the basket. Okay children, please solve this sum. I want you to make this type of chart and please solve these sums. Okay, I have arranged the question for you, but you are going to solve. Okay, please write the statements and solve. Okay, now I will arrange the third question also for you. See, cost of a dress 275 rupees. Cost of a shirt 399 rupees. Okay children? Okay, now let us do form a question. This is just an information. See, here also they have given information, no? So we also have an information over here. Now shopkeeper sold a dress for 275 rupees. This is the sign of the rupees. And a shirt for 399 rupees. What is the total cost of the cloth of the garments? Okay, write garments. So this way you will form a question. So I want you to copy this question and please solve this sums. Okay, children? You have to write the statement and solve the sums. I hope, children, you have understood this chapter. If any doubts, please message me. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.